Hey guys, Miss O'Donnell here. Algebra 1, Escape Room, Challenge E. Let's check it out. It says drag the shaded inequalities from the left over to the graphs on the right to complete each system of inequalities. Okay, identify the letter that falls in the solution region for each system. So, hey, number 1, if we check this out, y is greater than negative 4x plus 1. They gave us our equation in slope-intercept form, which is so nice of them, right? So negative 4x plus 1. And it's greater than, so I know I'm shading above. So let's see here. My shade above, that's shading below. I also don't have an equal sign, so I know it has to be dashed. So that one's shading below. This one's shading above. If I drag that over and I put it at my 1, I have to kind of play with it a little bit. But then I'm going to go and check my slope and make sure it works. But hey, my slope is negative, so that is definitely not a negative slope. I don't want to use that one. Let's try this guy. Kind of drag him over, place him so that he's going through at positive 1, and I can kind of double check my slope, right? Down, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. That looks pretty good. Definitely not perfect, but that's okay. Let's see here. And then, let's see, could probably adjust it a little bit. All right, and so then I have x minus y is greater than or equal to 3. So I have to figure out, I have sort of two options. They're giving me the equation in standard form. So I could figure out my x-intercept and my y-intercept because we know how to do that, or I could solve the equation or inequality for y, and then I can compare using my y-intercept and my slope like I did before. So I think I'm going to solve it for, I'm going to solve it because then it's just a little easier to compare. So I have x minus y is greater than or equal to 3. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides of my equal sign. So I have negative y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 3. I'm going to divide both sides of my equal sign by negative 1. So y is less than or equal to, because when you multiply and divide an inequality by a negative, you have to flip the inequality symbol, x minus 3. And let's see here. So if I come over here, I have a positive slope, I have a solid line, I'm shaded below. Solid line, shaded below, positive slope. That looks like probably this one. So I'm just going to try it. I'm going to grab it and try it. It's going to go through negative 3. Sorry, I'm getting like really close to the camera because I have to see. So I'll go down 1, 2, 3. Yeah, somewhere like right around there, which would mean that A is my solution letter, right? Because A is that overlapping region. So that would be my solution letter. But let's still double check. Y is less than or equal to x minus 3. So I have a point through negative 3, and hopefully I can go up 1 over 1. And it looks like my slope is 1. I'm going up 1 over 1, and it all works out. Then you have to continue on. You have to do 2, 3, and 4 to find your solution letters. Let me know if you have other questions. I'll see you guys in the next challenge video.